friends, welcome back to 6th video of this series. In the previous video we have successfully fetched the data using the FirebaseUi RecyclerView. So now in this video we will set a click event listener on every item on this recycler view. When we click on any item, we will open new activity and show that particular data on that activity. So for this we have to create new activity. So right click on this package, select new activity, that is empty activity, and here we will call view activity and click on finish. Okay, now we have to design the Activity Dot Xml. So first go to ActivityView.xml and here we will design this activity. So remove this constraint layout, add relative layout, and now go to our single view where we have already added image view and text view. So open single view and here we will copy these image view and text view. Okay, now go to activity view and here we will paste that image view and text view. Okay, now here we will add background. I will select color primary. Okay, now change this into wrap content. It's better. Okay, now we will change the ID. So here we will add view activity. Okay, it's underscore. Okay, now we will add the text view ID, view underscore activity. Okay, now under this we will add the button. So come down here and here we will add button, match parent, wrap content, and give the ID, btn delete, and now give the text, that is delete, and now it is below of this ID text view single view activity. Okay, now give the margin left, it's 40 dp, and margin right also 40 dp. Okay, now we have to add the background for this. So go to drawable and right click on this new and select the drawable source file. Now here we will call btn and press OK. Now instead of selector we will change it into shape, and here we will add solid. Select the color. I will select color white, that is color accent. Okay, now close it. Now here we will add corner and select the radius into 70 dp. Okay, now we will add this background to our button. So here we will select background. I will select btn. Okay, now give the margin bottom, it's 5 dp. Okay, now come here, text view, decrease the margin top into 220. Okay, and also we will remove this background color. There is no need of this background color. Okay, now give the margin btn. Margin top is 20 dp. Let's check it. Okay, now it's looking better, I think. Okay, now give the ID, btn delete, it's completed. Okay, now go to our activity view. So here we will define, so first image view and call it simple image view, and now text view, I will call it a simple text view. Now finally button, and simple call btn delete. Okay, now press alt enter to import the class. Okay, now initialize. So image view equal to find view by id r.id dot image view underscore single underscore view underscore activity. Now text view equal to find view by id r.id dot text view underscore single underscore view underscore activity. Now btn delete equal to find view by id r.id dot btn delete. Okay, now go to our my view holder. So first we will close all the tabs, and now we will open my view holder, and here we will initialize the view. And that view is equal to item view. Okay, now this view is actually, let me open the application. This view is complete this view. When we click on this view, we will open another activity. So go to home activity, and here we will add click listener on that view. So come here on bind view holder. In on bind view holder we will add holder dot view dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we will open another activity. So first we will create intent. I will simply call it intent equal to new intent. So home activity dot this, and the next parameter is the target activity, that is view activity dot class. Okay, now here we have to pass the id of that items. For example, I click on this first car item, it will get the id of this item and send to the next activity. So here we will pass the id to intent. So intent dot put extra, and first here we will pass the key. Let's say I type car key, and car key, here we have to get the id. So we will call the method getRef, and here we will pass the position dot key, get key. Okay, now finally we will start activity and pass this intent. Okay, now go to our view activity, and here we will get the key. So first we will create string, and here we will simply call it car key equal to get intent dot get string extra, and here we will pass that key. So our key is car key. Okay, now by using this key we will get the data from the Firebase. Now this key is actually this one. By using this key we will get the data from our whole car object. So here we will create the reference. So database reference, I will call it simply reference, and now initialize this reference equal to Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, and here we will call the method child, and here we will pass key. So our car is our child. Under this car we will pass the key. So here we will call the method reference dot child, and here we will pass that key. So our key is car key, and call the method add on add value event listener, new value event listener. Okay, now first put a semicolon here, and here we will get the data. So if data snapshot dot exist mean our data is available here, and we will show that data. So we will get the data. First we will get the car name, so I will simply call it car name. And now data snapshot dot child, and here we will pass car name, and finally we will call get value. Okay, now same for okay, now duplicate this line and just change this car name into image URL, and now this time I will call it, let me check the spellings, image URL. Okay, okay, now finally we have get the data. So we have to add the data to text view, sorry, image view and text view. So use Picasso dot get dot load. Here we will load the data, so I will pass here image URL, and here we will call into, so here we will pass image view. Okay, now text view dot set text, and here we will pass car name. Okay, now run the application. Okay, our application running on the simulator. So here is the recycler view. So let's click on any item. Here you can see, here is the image, here is the text and delete button. So let's click on any other item. Let's say I click on the second car. Here you can see, so our click event listener successfully working. So in the next video we will learn how we can live data search. So please like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.